Hello, my name is Christina Alonso from Project Interactive Table, explaining Epic Personal Notepad. The Epic Personal Notepad has quite a few user stories, the first being that the user can write on the personal notepad. So this is basically just drawing on a canvas. And here's a quick little user story map on how to go about it. You first click on the personal notepad, click and drag on the canvas, and you should see a line appearing. This is the sequence diagram for the user story, the class diagram. Personal notepad is the file that's being used. The canvas object and the pen mode string are important. The mouse initializer and the draw line function as well. And this is a picture of what it would look like. You would first pick a color, draw, and you should see it appear. The main code that gets this done is calling the draw line function, which I'll describe a little more into detail after explaining the other user stories. The next user story in this epic is that the user can erase on the personal notepad, which follows kind of the same path. You just click on the eraser button instead of a color. As you can see, eraser. The pen mode now is eraser instead of pen. Again, the same variables are important. Now we also have the erase function. And here's a visual user guide. Additionally, actually changing the color is another user story. As you could see on the menu that I showed you a second ago, there was options on colors that you can choose, that you just click on it, and then the variable current color changes based on what color you choose, and the change color function is called in order to change this variable. Finally, adjusting the pen size is the last user story in this epic. It follows the same path. You click the same menu, you change the range, and the application returns a different pen width that you can see as you draw. Same draw line function is called. It just passes in a new parameter for the line width. So just quickly, I'll demo these couple of user stories so you can actually change the width here and change the color. And of course we have our eraser. The eraser also follows the pen width, so if I decrease the pen width, the eraser will be thinner as well. Within the code, we have an event listener for the mouse click and the mouse move, and that just goes ahead and calls our draw line function, which passes in these positions so that we know where the line needs to be drawn, and it passes in the current color, the pen mode, and the size of the pen width. Now, the current color and pen mode is a variable here that's automatically set to black and pen, so when you first go on the site and you draw without ever clicking that coloring menu, it'll automatically just draw in black. But these variables go ahead and change whenever eraser is called. Function erase, it changes the pen mode to eraser. And change color, whenever you pick a color, it changes the pen mode back to pen, and the color gets passed in. So if you click on the button pink, Pink will get passed in, therefore when we call draw line, pink will get passed in here. The function draw line is here. As you can see, data is just the line map you saw earlier. Line 3, so when the mode is pen, we go ahead and draw over it. And when it is eraser, so any other time when it's not pen, it's going to go ahead and erase instead. The stroke style is the color, which was in index 2. And the line width was in index 4. So we go ahead and pass all of these in. We move and we create a line and we finally stroke, and that's when we see the actual line appear. Additionally, we have one more user story for clearing all on the personal notepad. So once you've gone ahead and drawn something, if you realize you want to start over, you made huge mistakes, this button will go ahead and let you clear all, and it's just clicking the clear all button and everything just erases. Clear canvas is the function that's called clear all. And as you can see, if we draw and then click the button, everything disappears. So the button is this one right here. As soon as you click it, everything is gone. This is the function call right here, clear canvas. So whenever that button is pressed, clear canvas starts. Again, my name is Christina Alonso. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at calon043@fiu.edu. Thanks for watching.